What's up guys? So we have been building this Mercedes 190e with Town 14 distribution, and actually car needs to debut in next few days. They're gonna have a private event for us to debut the car, but the car is not really close to finish yet, so it's gonna be tight, but I would like to show you guys what's going on and hopefully we can finish the car in time. Right, car's out. So where you want us to put the car? Right here is good? Okay. The car came back from the body shop. It's champ white. We still need to paint the inside. Brake line's almost done. Engine's gonna be in soon. We got only a couple weeks to finish, but should be good.
More pressure washer.
There you go. Shocks in, arms in. Alright, so we got little over 1 week to finish the car, right Chris? Little chaos.
My wolf inside there? Yeah, we got anyone in there. Just don't shit yourself.
Gosh. So today is gonna be a lot of the running for the parts, and now I'm at Go Tuning. Alright, I just got this guy, Titan 7 lug nut. It's the TI titanium. Next up, hello. And next stop is APR. Oh, that's easy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Try to get you some plate.
Some scrap that we can use it for a side skirt. Got some logos. Braid. They're hooking me up. Thanks, APR. Alright, it's going down. Looks like a car now. Got all wheels and tires. Interior needs some work, but all the details are pretty much done. Engine is about to start. Still working on the ECU and stuff. Should be alright. We got 48 plus hours. Chris is painting something.
Never painting. Window trim restoration on the car.
We don't need any paint shop. So I just arrived to our wrap company. 9 livery. Alright, it's going good.
Very good.
What's up, bro?
What's up, guy? How you doing?
You're good.
It's a
Looking
nifty
good.
little device you got there. Yeah.
Adding some final touches. Okay, we can put more spaces in the back, not in the front. Get in there, take pictures. Alright, finally started it.
Yeah.
And down. Little final touches. Looking nice. Alright, today is the day. The car's not completely done yet, but we got a few more hours to finish it up. It's working now! Modified!
But it's not just a regular Mercedes 190, it's a Honda powered Mercedes 190E. So without further ado, we'll have Chris and Dai talk a little bit about the project and then do the unveiling.
Hi guys, my name is Yoshihara. Thanks for coming. Me and Chris Marion built this cool Mercedes 190E with the S2000 motor.
So we wanted to build a track day fun car just to have fun with. And we were looking at things that were iconic, inspirational. It's like, hey, like a DTM car would be kind of cool. Then we started looking at it and going, wow, this Mercedes motor costs way more than the whole project. So what's the next best thing? An S2000 motor. So that's kind of how we got there. So it makes right around the same power as like a fully built kind of motor out of a Cosworth would. Fraction of the price, reliability, something we can beat on all day and have fun with. So that's kind of what we did with the whole car. And that's where we're at now.
Alright, car is coming back safely. It is straight, supposedly. Alright, this is it. We made it happen.